So I bought an iPhone 13 Pro 256GB, and in this video I shall open it up and we'll have a look and see what's in the box and how it opens. So you got that on the front. I bought the graphite one, so that's what you get. There are 4 colours altogether. So you've got the graphite, as I said. You have a silver, a gold, and Sierra blue. Now, I don't think the colours really look like as they're described, but I did take a few photos when I was at the Apple store of the other models. They're actually the iPhone Pro Max ones, but they're the same colours. Okay, so on the back here, oh, my eyes are hard to see this. Old eyes again. So it says iPhone 13 Pro. Includes iPhone 13 Pro and USB-C lightning cable. Too small to read. Hopefully the camera picks up the writing and you can see it for yourself. But anyway, now there's little green arrows here. I assume that's how I open it. Now, a little bit different. No plastic covering. So saving on plastic. So we'll rip that up, and that seems to be what happens. Okay. Well, normally we just throw that away. Probably never going to need that again. Same with this one. Whoop. If I can get it. Okay, yep. Throw that one away as well. So hopefully, yes, it's starting to slide, so it should open. And what do we have? Okay, there's a little groove thing in there for the camera module. Okay, so I'll put that aside. As you can see, we have the iPhone 13 Pro. And might not see there, but yeah, those cameras are raised a bit. Okay, so I could tip it out. Okay, so we can see on the side we have the usual volume buttons. Oh yeah, the mute thing, and that looks like for the Nano SIM card in there. What have we got here? Oh. And on the other side, maybe that's for the SIM. No, that looks like the SIM one. Not sure what that is, but I imagine we'll find out. So we've got the stereo speakers on the bottom, the slot for the lightning cable. Oh, there we go, yes. Oh, that's the power button. Yes, on my old iPhone SE, the power button's up the top. That's why I didn't know what that was. Cool. Okay, so then this paper comes up and we have the screen. And what do we do with that? As I've said before, we just throw it away. It's a waste of whatever. Yeah, so you got the Apple logo on the back. Looks rather nice. Did read somewhere about covers. May not actually need one, but a bit worried about the camera sticking out, so I might actually get a cover for it, but figure that one out later. So I'll just put it there. Actually, I might put it face down. Or whatever. That sticks to you. Go away. Right, so in the rest of it, we have designed by Apple in California. Okay, and there's the little cable they supply. So you got your Lightning to USB-C. When I asked at the Apple store, he did say, yep, you can use a Lightning to USB-A, which is the general old USB connector. So hopefully he was telling me the truth, and it should. So that way I should be able to plug it in the car for the Apple CarPlay. So we'll see how that goes. Oh yeah, so that unravels there. And we'll see how long that is. Oh yeah, don't mind that lump on my hand. I'll turn my hand that way so you don't see it. Went and saw the skin specialist today, and he decided to freeze a little lump there. But anyway, yeah, it's swollen up, so I imagine it'll probably burst later. But anyway, yeah, so I've got a little thing here designed by Apple. Is there anything in it? Oh yeah, something in it. Don't know what. Don't know what the purpose of that is. There's some little metal thing. Ah, that's probably for opening the Nano SIM slot. Yes, that's what that would be for. Because if you notice, I've always in the past had to get a pin and stick it in that little hole. Or, no, that's the power button. In this little hole there. But yeah, I'd say you put that in there and it will pop out. Actually, I might try that. So yeah, you've got that. Let's try that, hey? Will it work? Oh, you push in there. Oh, yep, there it goes. I'll just put that back down there. Yeah. So the Nano SIM will go in there. Alright, I'll put it back in for the time being and sort all that out when I'm ready. Okay, so that's kind of impressive that they give you that. Haven't had that with my old phones. Okay. Anyway, that's something a little different I haven't had before. Oh yeah, then you've got the microscopic, I assume, instructions. Before using iPhone, review the iPhone user guide. Something about, oh yeah, at support.apple.com/guide/iPhone. You can also use Apple Books to download the guide. Ah, that's good. And something there. Where available, that's what it says. Retain documentation for future reference. Then something about safety and handling, radio frequencies, battery and charging. I won't read all that because my eyes aren't that great. Yeah, so I'll put my glasses on later and have a better read of that. Oh, and of course you get the usual Apple sticker. Ooh. Anyway, that's what's in the box. Not much. So you don't get the power charger, but oh yeah, I suppose that's the other thing. Use the USB-C. Should be able to, the USB-A should plug into my old chargers. So if you haven't got one of the new ones, hopefully you can use the old one with an old cable. Okay, we'll leave that there. Okay, so that was very quick, and I hope you enjoy that, and you'll watch more of my videos in future. And to do that, you'll need to subscribe, click on the bell to get notifications, and I think I'll leave it there. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, I'm David A. Elliott. Have a good one and see you around like a rissole.